So yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 88 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 3438. Find valid pair adjacent digits in a string. Okay, so this is an easier problem. So let's see the problem first. So we have given a string as consisting only of digits. A valid pair is defined as two adjacent digits in as such that the first digit is not equal to the second one and each digit in the pair appears in as exactly as many as time its numeric value. Okay, so return the first valid pair found in the string when traversing from left to right. If no valid pair then exist, otherwise return an empty string. Okay, fine. So let's see the example 1. So we have given a string 25235333. Fine. So output is 23. So here we can see 2 occurs twice only in the whole string and 3 occurs thrice in the whole string. So it is equal to the value itself, right? The occurrence, or we can say frequency, of the given current digit is equals to the digit itself in the given string. So that is the correct pair that we can say. So we are trying 23 here. Same explanation has been given. Okay. In example 2, we can see we have given 2 to 1. So 2 is twice and 1 is 1. So this we can say the correct pair 21. Fine. So we are trying 21. Correct. Same explanation here is given. Fine. In example 3, we have 22 only, which is 2 occurs twice. That is correct, but we need one pair because this 2 we can't take here. As per the explanation, it is given first digit is not equal to second one. Then only we'll get the adjacent digit. Fine. So in this case it got failed. So we are returning empty because we can't create any other string here, right? Okay. So constraint we have given like string length can be varies from 2 to 100 and as only consists of digits from 1 to 9. Fine. So like what we can do in this case, like basically we will have to at least get the frequency of each digit in a given string, right? So once we have got that frequency, then we will find the pair. So second task will be finding the pair, and while finding the pair at the same time we will check whether the current digit having the frequency is same or not, right? In case, then we will pick that a string, so a string itself, right? So what we can do here is we can use hash map either for storing the frequency of each digit, or otherwise like the digit is fixed in the given as, right? So it is of either 1 to 10 within a 1 to 10 range. So we can take a fixed size as well of the array in order to store the digit. So I'm going to store in that array. Okay. So for that, what we'll do, for that I'll basically going to create one frequency array here. Okay. Let's say int frequency. Okay. And that will be of size 10. So we have digits from 1 to 9, right? So I'm going to store in the size of 10, which is fixed. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll iterate over the given characters of the string. So let's say char c in as dot to char array. So I'm basically converting the given string into the char array, and then what I'll do, I'll just assign into our frequency array. So basically index will start from 0 to 9, right here. So we will convert this ASCII character. So C is our character, we are doing minus 0, then it will give 0 in that case, right? So we'll do the increment here. Similar way it will do for all the characters in the given string, right? Now we have the frequency array with us. So now we just need to iterate over the given string and check each character to find the pair. Okay, so let's again open our for loop. So for loop, okay, I'll start from index 0 here, and index will go till as dot length. Okay, and as we need to find the pair, so I'll do -1 because we at least need 2 values at last, otherwise it will go array out of bound index. So here we will store like both characters. So let's say first, okay, first character will be our s dot caret I, right? So that will be our first character, and second, let's say second equals to s dot caret I plus 1. So just adjacent one we need to take, right? So after getting these two, what we have to check? We have to check one condition. If a is not equals to b, then in that case we don't have to do anything, right? But in case if in case if a is not equal to b, because this is what our first condition is, and if it is so, then we have to check one more condition, that the frequency of the current character. So I'm taking a b here. Let's say a and b for the better one, right? So we'll check if a is frequency. So we need to check the ASCII character. If its frequency is equal to a's value itself. So getting the a value, what we will do? We'll even do the same ASCII character here. Okay, it got converted, and similar way for b as well. So for b, let's say 0. Okay, uh, it should be equal to our b value itself. Fine. If all these three condition is true, then only we can say we have found a good pair, or we can say adjacent pair, right? So if we found so, what we'll do, we'll simply return here, let's as dot substring, okay, substring of the current index plus 2, because we need 12, right? Because this will be ignored, so it will take 1 plus 1 plus 1, I on I plus 1, right? Substring, mistake, okay. And if we found so, then from here itself we will return the first pair. If it knows, then at last what we'll do, we'll return an empty string, right? So hope it will work. Now let's submit and see the test cases. Okay, so as you can see, like all three test cases got accepted, okay, and we're getting expected output. Now let's submit and see the test cases as well. Okay, so all 826 test cases got passed, and it's with 100%. So that's quite good enough, right? So let's come to the solution part. So if we talk about the time complexity here, so as we are iterating over each and every character of the given string, right, of size and whatever we can say, so we are iterating over each element, so it is big of n, right? And even we are storing using, we are iterating over each character, so we can say as time complexity is big of n we are using here. And regarding space complexity, we have taken the fixed like constant space, right? So it is big of 1, right? In case if you are using hash map, then it will be more like a space complexity will be greater in comparison to this fixed array, right? That's why. So yeah, that's all for today. Let's see you on next video. Bye.